Hi everyone with another video, and this is solar fan. Actually this fan is quite serious fan. This is something serious product and underrated. And actually let me open first. Okay, this nothing on the box, simple. You can see, I don't know, maybe different countries they have a different. Let me open. Okay, in the box don't have anything much. Let me put it in the box. They have one cable and simple brochure here. I don't know, nothing much. I mean, you should to use brochure too, but yeah, there's some instructions here. Hope you can see if you want to know something. But anyway, this is a solar camping solar travel VR fan, and this is type C here. You can see right here, type C. Okay, you know the good thing about this, the battery is quite big and it's very quiet. And you know, if you can hear, speed 1, 2, 3, and the air is not so strong, but enough strong that you can't say like, oh, this is not useful. Sometimes there's a lot of fans, the airflow is not that good, but this airflow is good enough that you can say like, oh, it's useless, but it's not too fast like a big fan. So I hope you understand. It's just like good medium, enough that you can, if you are almost 3 feet far, you still can rely on it. Okay, then second one mode, light, second mode. So this is a quite standard stuff, actually, nothing special. You can find a lot of fan better than this. You can find a bigger fan, you can find more faster fan, but I think this is not the main feature for this. The main feature for this is the power bank. It has 26,800 milliamp battery. One thing. Number two, the good thing is this fan cost me here in Indonesia is just $10. And you know, I bought first one fan and I didn't make a review for that because I was testing and I was not much expecting. And actually I don't feel to make a special video about this fan, but it when I use it first time and I see like, wow, this fan is more than I think. After first purchase, I ordered the second one, and when I ordered this one, I was thinking like, less, I will make a video about that. Uh, the best thing for this one is a good power bank and the big battery. Uh, the fan can run more than 2 days and 3 days in a one low mode. I didn't test it because I have to keep run for many days if you choose the mode 1. 2 is a more faster and third is the highest speed. That one also can last many hours, maybe more than 10, 12 hours, 15 hours. Somebody even says it's like 19 hours, maybe they tested, but yeah. The feature, the best thing I find out here, the $10 fan give you the 16-watt solar panel foldable. That is the biggest nice feature. You have it here. You know, this is cost me $10 in Indonesia. And if you buy only this solar panel, it cost, this is mono crystalline, not poly. Mono is expensive panels, and only this foldable panel cost online more than $10 actually. So actually you getting the cost of the solar panels, fan, power bank, LED light, and the quality of this solar panel, the best thing, it can remove easily. And you can charge your mobile USB here, and there's DC out also. 2 options. And another good thing that you can, hold on, I will bring another panel. Okay. You can stand it. You can practically, you can put the panel outside. There's a USB cable. Even you can buy the long USB cable. You can put the panel outside. You can charge your fan here. If you not want to charge this, is fully charged, for example, then you can charge your tablet. You can charge your mobile. You can charge your power bank. And the more good thing is, for example, I'm going to show you. Hold on. You can connect. I have another panel here, the second one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect, make it like this, and let it foldable together. And I will connect this 2 wires connection with this one. So actually I get almost 30-watt solar panel foldable. And you know, only $20 is like a stealing. I don't know, in the US it costs $25, 20 plus. Because of course, and one thing I do it here, I put this magnet here so it's very easily stick. But actually, and this one also I make it DIY. This is XL4501, if I remember, the buck DC to DC step down converter, and they have a watt meter here. And yeah, I think there's no sun outside, but still it's a try to open, and you can see the watt here. Hold on, if there's a light, maybe slightly you have a little idea. I will try to, maybe it's not that enough, that it, yeah, a little bit. You can see it shows the volt actually, 3.1 volt. But anyway, just for a little idea, it shows the volt, it shows the amp. I can write if in the comment if you want to know exactly the model. It shows the watt, amp, and volt out and in. So 5.5 6 volt solar panel, and each is almost both is 16 watt, almost 16 watt. The company claim 18 watt, but as I tested and I see these are 16 watt each. So if I put in the series and I open this one, solder the wire, and I can make a connection later, maybe I can show when I will done my work. So the solar panel is the main feature here, and the fan is a really nice, useful. You can hang it. There's a many way you can hang like this from up, or you can use it hang just like that. So there's a two mode, but actually even this, there's no solar panel. The solar panel should be not all the time on the back. The reason is if you are outside in the sun, it's not nice to put your mobile phone with the battery in the sun and solar. So the best way is you just remove the solar panel and you use the long cable, and then you connect here from type C, and you charge it from here, power bank area. There's a type C and DC out. So the maximum charging speed is here is just 1 amp or 1.5 amp or 1.39. I get it, or like 1. I can consider roughly like 1.5 amp out with the 5 volt. This is the speed for charging, and so far I'm testing almost maybe 6 to 7,000 milliamp out, but I'm still testing. When I will complete, I can write in the comment if you want to ask. So anyway, so this for me, this fan is really underrated, and a lot of people, they don't know about this fan. I will highly recommend for emergency, for any kind of condition, you should to have this kind of one fan at least at the home. So yeah, that's all. The fan is there, the light is here, power bank is here. You can charge your phone, you can charge your tablet, and any type C device or USB device, from type C or micro USB, everything you can charge easily, and the battery is quite good. And I was thinking I will open it this, and I will upgrade the battery, maybe more bigger, because there is a big area here. I'm sure there's a lot of space. You can upgrade the battery for long lasting and long, and then you can just use as UPS, mini UPS. I can consider it like a mini UPS, power generator, fan, and LED. And the best thing is here, the build quality is really solid. It's really solid, strong, and you have solar, so you will not go out of electricity. As soon as you have sun or it's a daylight, you can start charging, no matter you are not using, because most of the time, especially in the hot countries, sometimes we have already a fan. So this is a good backup, and many people, they don't use it. It's just $10. So far in 2025, I'm making this video on September 2025. It costs in Indonesia $10, but I think in the US, I see in Amazon, eBay, people are selling like $20 to $25. Trust me, if you check only 16 watt panel, monocrystalline, the price, only the panel price is more than $10. And here I get it, everything: power bank, fan, LED light, and very solid, strong, versatile solar power, solar panels, foldable, just in $10. It's a stealing. This is the thing must have. And other, I do my DIY project. So what I'm going to do, I will put this one and this one. Okay, you can see when it comes, but just this is a little flaw. I put small tiny magnet here and here, and it's automatically, as you can see, this one is stuck. It's not going anywhere. But this one, it irritating all the time, and this one, nothing. So I put small magnet. The solution is here. Inside, they put it to close this thing. Just give little heat, slightly heat, or softly with the plastic, some sharp tool, softly bring out this one. I don't like it. It's kind of useless. And even this little bit thing cover the solar, I don't like it. So I remove it nicely, carefully, not any sharp object. And here the result is like a clean, all clean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it some maybe tape or something and connect this one together, might be, or just make a connection from here to here wire. Just open these two screws. You can open these two screws, you can make a connection here. But I know this is like kind of another story, another thing, but that is my work, and maybe I can make another video about this if I'm gonna do. But so far, yeah, I put a DC to DC buck here, and XL4501, as I remember the buck name. So this works very well. Why? Because this is giving 2.5 amp. So when I connect this one with this one, so the energy, the amp will be increased, so I can get more energy. So anyway, first I bought this one, I really like it, then I bought another one because it's worth it. It's very cheap, and I think it's very useful anytime any energy loss. And nowadays, you know, the wars happening, a lot of things happen, we don't know. I mean, this is just a stealing cheap stuff, and you get a very nice foldable solar panel. And you can see the quality here. The panels are not cheap. They are really look rough and tough, and very nice finishing. Even the back is, you can see, quite nice. I like it, and I will recommend you highly, if you can get it in your country, wherever you are, I will recommend you must to have this kind of stuff. Hope you like the video. You can ask me in the comment. See you in the next video. Thumbs up. Okay, now in the last, I want to share with you, because the last video I cut that time almost 6 o'clock, and now it's 7 o'clock, and the light is more bright here outside. And that time I cannot show you properly because the light was not enough, right, in the video. But now it's a 7 o'clock. Sun not come. It's a cloudy weather, but still is enough. Okay, this buck, I told you what I put it on my solar panel is can show the watt, volt, and ampere. So now enough energy. If I open only solar panel, as you can see right here, okay, you can see it shows 3.7. And if I bring it near outside, and now you can see still I'm inside the room, and it's totally it's not even outdoor yet. But let me open a little bit more, and if I put it here, for example, now you can see, maybe I just put it like this. Okay, you can see here 5 volt. Okay, so now you can see here it shows 5 volt. Okay, and here this is 5 volt showing the in, and then there's one button. If I change here, it shows amp when I start from my USB. So it shows amp, then it shows P, power, mean watt, how many watt is going out. This is out area, and here's the volt again. This volt is out volt, and if I click here button, it shows the in volt. Now it shows automatically changing the. Okay, click here again. In, and in I use it DC out. So actually, if I want to bring out, I can bring out easily. And there's a USB one. So just for extra information, I use this buck called XL4501 DC to DC buck, 75 watt, 5 ampere, DC to DC step down buck. So yeah, that I want to show you. This thing is very nice because if I put 2 panels in the series, parallel, so I can see the volt all the time here, how many volt here. And it's just flickering because of the video. Actually, it's very stable here, but in the video, it's look like a flickering a little bit. So it's nice if and here I click again, just the display close, but the green light is on here, mean it's ready to use. So save your little bit electricity all the time. Display on, it's eat a little bit battery drains. So, but still, if you want to get information, it's take very slightly milliamp, very less battery used, but it's okay. If you want to close, you can. So display just off, but still your manual is working here, and so cloudy weather here, but still the volt is already here. But if you see just the default condition, you don't know what's happening here. Just DC out, and here's USB out. You just open it, there's no light, nothing. But still okay, you can see your mobile is charging in a basic way. If you're not very tech guy, you can do like that. I not do anything, I just use this connection here. This buck cost me $2, $3, $2.5 in Indonesia, and if you are in US, I'm sure you will get it like maybe $4 to $5. Just the DC out from here, I use here. This is in, this is out, but there's adjustment here. First, when you put the volt here, you check how many volt. From 12 volt, you adjust to 5.3 volt first. 5.3 volt, you can check how to use this one. Actually, I make a video on my another channel how to use this one, so you can check on YouTube how to use. So that's not a big deal, but it's very useful for basic solar panel, and it give you status and handle the high amps, because the default one I see is a 1 amp only. But same as I told you, I have planned, I will together this in the parallel, both together, this and this. So I need to have a good strong amp out, DC out, so it can charge fast. That's the reason I get this one. Hope you like the video. Thumbs up. Okay. Even I have to make almost 4-minute video only to make you show this fan is actually it's a very good thing. The battery lasts longer. The big reason is if you use a one speed, it can go more than many days. I think 4 days, 5 days. I think so. I didn't test. But if you use a 3 speed and full battery, I heard these people say like 10 hours, 20 hours, almost 18-20 hours. Now you see battery shut down, and now start again, and it's close again automatically. So technically battery is totally finished, but still the good thing is if I turn on, it will be on again. So but the mention is battery is 0 here, and now I plug charging here, and see when I plug the charger, it's very awkward plastic here. It's a little difficult. See, it looks like start charging. And I'm going to reset here from 5000 to 000. Okay, so I'm going to check how much milliamp the battery size. So I'm going to charge this now. Okay. Now here you can see start charging. 1.2 amp. And this how many milliamp going inside. Start first. Okay, let's see. It's charging on 1.2 amp. And yeah. Okay, let's see how long it takes time. Maybe 4 to 5 hours to fully charge from the power adapter. But one thing more I want to share with you, because the solar panel I tested in the full sunlight, it gave almost 1.2 amp. So if it's charged in this speed, 1.2, 1.8 amp, it takes maybe 5 hours. So if you use solar panel, it will take 8 hours in the full sunlight. So that's the simple calculation about the timing for this one. Now exactly after 5 hours, this is the charging measurement. 7000 milliamp goes inside the battery, and when I bring out is 5000 milliamp exactly. So if you have mobile phone 5000 milliamp battery, it will make it 100% from 0 to 100. But 7000 battery goes inside. So right here is fully charged, as you can see, all 4 lights, everything. Yeah, anyway, charging cut off already, and yeah, it's done. So that is my, and here I want to show you, and here I make the solar panel in the series, and it become like quite big. Yeah, and now I finished charging, and here is a 5000 milliamp from power bank to go to mobile, and here is 5000 milliamp out. So I think estimate battery is the 7000 milliamp inside. The real capacity will be the 7000 milliamp, around 7 to 8000 maximum. And the good thing is you can charge your mobile while you are on the go. You can charge your power bank, you can charge your mobile. Here you can see, even there's no much sun, but still there's a little bit power. So now is 0.89, almost 90 amp hour going in the, it's a good sun now. So yeah, 88, 89 amp, 600 milliamp already charged, and the volt is there. The sun is better now. Not much, not strong, but yeah, at least sun is better. Okay, yeah, 87, 88, 90 almost.